Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram repost option not showing, all right? So let's begin with the video. To fix the issue where the repost option is not showing on Instagram, there are two methods you can try. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down to the section labeled How Others Can Interact with You. From there, select Sharing and Reuse. In this section, make sure the option that allows people to share your posts and reels is enabled, and specifically check that reposts for posts and reels are turned on. After enabling this, you can go back and see if the repost option appears. If the problem still isn't resolved, the second method is to reinstall the app. Go to your iPhone home screen, find the Instagram app, and uninstall it. Once it has been removed, open the App Store and download Instagram again. After reinstalling and logging back in, the repost option should now be available. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram repost option not showing. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.